set, universal set has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Set A has element 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Set B has element 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Then A intersection B, the elements which are common in set A and set B will come in A intersection B, that is 2, 3. A intersection B complement, either you can write like this or say A intersection B dash, the symbol of complement. The elements other than A intersection B will come in the set of A intersection B complement. If we compare with the universal set, we exclude 2, 3 and rest of all the elements will come in A intersection B. So we have 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 excluding 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B, the elements in A and B and the common elements will not be repeated again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 of set A and 2, 3 as already is in, we have written in from set A. So we won't write again. So we write 4, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we compare this set with the universal set, it becomes that the A union B is equal to the universal set in this particular case. Difference of set A and B is the elements which are common in A and B will be excluded. So since 2, 3 is in set B as well as in set A, so we exclude 2, 3 and rest of the elements of set A will come in difference of set A and B, that is 1, 5, 6. A union B complement means the elements which are other than A union B. We compare the elements of A union B with the universal set and we exclude the elements of A union B and rest of the elements will come in A union B complement. We have observed that in A union B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the universal set also have the same elements. So other than universal set elements, there will no element. So we have 5 or say empty bracket. This is called the null set. Difference of set B and A. In this case, we will write all the elements of set B and exclude the elements which are in A. So we observe that 2, 3 are in A. So we exclude 2, 3. Rest of the elements of B will come in the difference of set B and A. So that is 4, 7, 8.